Are you looking for ways to upgrade your travel experience without breaking the bank? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore luxury travel hacks that will help you maximize your vacation without draining your bank account. From finding cheap flights and luxury accommodations to upgrading your meals and activities, we'll provide you with the tips and tricks you need to travel in style without breaking the bank. So, read on to learn more about how you can make your next vacation an unforgettable one without spending a fortune. Use points and miles. One of the best ways to get the most out of your travel experience is to use points and miles. Points and miles can be earned through loyalty programs such as airline and hotel loyalty programs, credit card rewards, and more. These points can be used to book flights, hotels, and even car rentals at a discounted rate, or even for free. Points and miles are great because they can be used in a variety of ways, allowing you to customize your travel experience to fit your budget. For example, if you're looking for a luxury hotel stay, you can use your points to upgrade to a suite or a higher-end room. You can also use points and miles to book flights in business or first class for a more comfortable journey. Before you begin using your points and miles for travel, it's important to do your research and know exactly how you want to use them. You should also keep an eye out for deals and promotions so you can maximize your savings. With the right strategies, you can travel in style without spending a fortune. Stay in apartments or villas. When it comes to upgrading your travel experience, one of the best ways is to stay in an apartment or villa instead of a hotel. This can be a great option if you're traveling with a larger group or simply want more room than a standard hotel room. By renting an apartment or villa, you can enjoy more privacy and space, as well as more amenities like a kitchen and a living area. Plus, you can often find apartments and villas that are located in the heart of a city, so you can have easy access to local attractions and restaurants. Many websites, such as Airbnb and HomeAway, offer listings of apartments and villas around the world. Before booking, be sure to read reviews and compare prices to ensure you find the best deal for your budget. Some websites also offer special discounts for long-term stays, so if you're planning a longer vacation, this could be a great option for you. Renting an apartment or villa is an excellent way to upgrade your travel experience without breaking the bank. You'll have more room and privacy than a hotel, and you may even get to save some money in the process. So don't forget to consider apartments or villas when you're planning your next trip. Use a travel agent. Using a travel agent to help plan your luxury vacation can be one of the best ways to upgrade your experience without breaking the bank. Not only do travel agents have access to great deals, they can also recommend high-end experiences that you may not have known about otherwise. Travel agents also know all of the ins and outs of international travel, so you can rest assured that your trip will go as planned. When looking for a travel agent, do your research and find someone with a track record of providing quality service. Ask for referrals from family and friends who have used a travel agent in the past, or look for reviews online. Once you've found a few potential options, compare their rates and services before making a decision. Travel agents are often able to provide luxury experiences on a budget by utilizing discounts, bulk booking arrangements, and other perks that you may not be able to access on your own. They also typically have relationships with local vendors, which can open up even more opportunities to save money while still getting the most out of your trip. By taking advantage of the resources and knowledge that a travel agent can provide, you can ensure that you get the luxury experience you desire without spending an arm and a leg. Book private tours. When it comes to luxury travel, one of the best ways to upgrade your experience without breaking the bank is to book private tours. Private tours can provide a unique and personalized experience that you simply can't get with group tours. From private chefs and exclusive transportation to insider access and knowledgeable guides, private tours offer a plethora of advantages that regular group tours simply cannot match. Booking private tours can be a bit expensive up front, but if you look around, there are plenty of great deals out there. Start by looking online for discounted tours or consider talking to local tour guides in person to negotiate a better price. Many tour companies also offer special promotions throughout the year, so make sure to keep an eye out for those. When it comes to booking private tours, it's also important to read reviews and make sure that the tour company has a good reputation. Make sure you get as much information about the tour as possible so you know what to expect. This way, you can rest assured that you're getting the best possible experience at a reasonable price. By taking advantage of private tours, you can ensure a more personal, luxurious experience on your next vacation without spending a fortune. Just remember to do your research and make sure you book a reliable tour company for the best experience possible. Dine like a local. One of the best ways to upgrade your travel experience without breaking the bank is to dine like a local. Eating at local restaurants, bars, and cafes is one of the best ways to explore the culture and cuisine of a destination. First and foremost, avoid restaurants that cater to tourists. Tourist traps often serve up expensive, lackluster food. Instead, talk to the locals or research online for the best eateries in town. Try to go off the beaten path, away from tourist hubs. You'll often find great food at very affordable prices. Another tip is to eat street food. Street food is often cheap and delicious. It also gives you an opportunity to experience the local culture in its purest form. So don't be afraid to dive into the heart of the city, sample local dishes, and strike up conversations with locals. Last but not least, try to eat breakfast and lunch at smaller cafes and restaurants, as these meals tend to be more affordable than dinner. Also, eating light meals will help you save money without sacrificing flavor or experience. Shop at local markets. One of the best ways to upgrade your travel experience without breaking the bank is to shop at local markets. When you visit a city or country, explore the local markets for amazing finds that you can bring home as souvenirs or gifts. Shopping at local markets gives you access to unique items that you may not find in retail stores or boutiques. You can find items such as handmade jewelry, traditional clothing, and locally sourced food items. Shopping at local markets also supports small businesses in the area, which is a great way to help out local communities. When shopping at local markets, it's important to be aware of the cultural norms and customs. Be mindful of your haggling skills if bartering is expected. It's also important to understand the local currency, so make sure you're familiar with conversion rates before making any purchases. Overall, shopping at local markets is an enjoyable and enriching way to upgrade your travel experience without spending too much money. Take time to explore the markets and find unique items that will remind you of your travels for years to come. Take advantage of free activities. When it comes to travel, there are many opportunities to have a luxurious experience without breaking the bank. One of the best ways to do this is to take advantage of free activities. Whether it's a tour of a historic site, a visit to a local park, or a stroll through an open-air market, taking advantage of free activities can help you experience the culture and flavor of your destination while saving money. One of the most popular free activities around the world is taking a walking tour. These tours can provide an in-depth look at the history and culture of your destination. Many cities and countries offer official walking tours, or you can do your own research online to find unofficial tours. You can also use apps like Google Maps to plan your own walking route and explore places you would otherwise miss. Another great way to explore for free is to take advantage of public transportation. Many cities around the world have extensive metro systems, buses, and trams that can be used to get around quickly and cheaply. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even take advantage of bike-sharing services, which allow you to rent bikes for a few hours at a time. Conclusion. Finally, don't forget about the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking through a national park, kayaking down a river, or just exploring a beach, taking advantage of nature's beauty is one of the best ways to enjoy your destination. Even if you're not an outdoorsy person, spending time outside can be a great way to relax and recharge after a busy day. No matter where you're traveling, taking advantage of free activities can help you upgrade your travel experience without breaking the bank. By doing some research and planning ahead, you can make the most of your destination and get the luxury experience you've been dreaming of.